Welcome to A Minute of Wisdom with Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, a book that revolutionizes your understanding of wealth. Picture two fathers, one rich, the other poor. The rich dad, an entrepreneur, the poor dad, a well-educated employee. Their contrasting mindsets shape the way we view money. The rich? They don't work for money, they acquire assets, businesses, real estate, stocks, sources of income. The poor? They work for money, spending it on liabilities. Understanding this difference is financial literacy, the secret to financial success. How about minding your own business? Focus on building your assets, not someone else's. Your business could be anything you're passionate about. Ever thought about the history of taxes and power of corporations? Taxes, originally meant for the rich, now burden the poor. Corporations protect the rich, offering tax benefits and cash flow increase. Rich people invent money. Not relying on economy or market conditions, they use their creativity and financial intelligence to create opportunities. They leverage other people's resources to multiply results. And remember, work to learn, not for money. The rich value learning more than earning. Seek skills and knowledge to increase your financial intelligence and ability to create wealth. Don't strive for job security, strive for personal growth. That's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, in a nutshell. A minute of wisdom for a lifetime of financial success.